Hey guys, I'm Braxton with Braxton's Auctioneering, and we got a very cool anvil. This one's made in the Southern Steel, Santa Fe Springs, California. We estimate this to be about 80 pounds. Anvils average literally between $2 to $3 a pound, up to about $8 a pound, depending on the marks. This is in very good condition. So there you go. Let's find out what it sells for.
Lift your eyes up, guys, and if you're strong, you can even lift this piece up. It's 100 pounds, 350, 375, 350 now, 375, and 350 to go, 375 now, 350 to go, 375, and 350 to go, 375, 375, 400, 375 and a 4, 375 and a 4, and a 4, and a 400, 375, 400, 375 and a 4, and a 4, and a 400, and a 4, and a 4, and a 400, 375 and a 4, 375 and a 4, 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 and a 400, and a 4, and a 4, and a 400, last call, and a 4, and a 4, and a 400, sold at 375, you bought 1216, beautiful piece.